Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is another little sub video just to go along with any roast dinner that you're cooking. I'm going to show you how to do the perfect roast potato every time without fail. If you like the sound of that, stick around, hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe. Come on. Now, one of the things I think is important for a roast potato is actually the way it's cut. Now, everybody likes the crispy bit around the edge, don't they? So, we want more of that. So we want big surface area. So I cut them in half, and I cut them down the middle like that. So we've got a nice surface area, all going to get crispy. Perfect. Right, the other thing that's key for roast potatoes is hot fat. When we put them in the oven, we want to put the potatoes into fat that has already been in the oven and is nice and hot. So we need a nice glug of olive oil in there. And then we're going to pop that in the oven about 5-10 minutes before the potatoes are ready to go in. Okay, so I've parboiled the potatoes. Just going to drain them, and then just need to rough them up a bit, like that, and then leave them there to let the steam come off. So we're going to get out our hot fat. And pour the potatoes into the fat. Sizzling is a good sign. And then get them coated in that hot fat. Roughing them up a bit more as you go. I like to turn them all around the same way, so then when it comes to turning them later, I know which ones I've turned and which ones I haven't. Pro tip for you there. Like that, and then once they're ready to go, more sea salt, oven. Once you turn them over, golden roast potatoes. Hit the like button for those.